Hey guys, welcome back to Sisters Adventures. If you guys new here, I'm Amy. So today, Chichi's not here, but I have a special guest here. It's my cousin Lily.
Hey guys.
She got her own channel. Her channel is Lily's World. Go subscribe, hit the notification bell button. And yeah guys, so today we're gonna be doing the Guess Squishy challenge. Are you guys ready? Let's get to it. But Lily's gonna say what is the squishies and stuff. So
Like name them.
yeah, name them. Go ahead.
Okay, Lily's gonna name them, and I'm gonna put it. Y'all gotta this is the challenge that you guys gonna guess the squishy. Y'all gotta close your eyes.
My mom is going
Yes.
to put a squishy in our plate. This is my cousin's color plate, and this is my color plate. And we have 1 squishy, 2 squishy, 3 squishy, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 squishies, guys. So she's gonna name them, okay?
So this one is a bear. This one is a cat. This one is a hot dog. A pretzel. A hamburger. A zebra. A unicorn.
That's our favorite, guys, the unicorn.
And a sloth.
Okay, you guys, and all of these squishies, you can always find them at Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
That's exactly where we got all of them from
Yeah.
today.
It was like a big pop movie.
We didn't
Yes.
know they sell squishies at Dollar Tree.
Yes. And they smell too.
They smell?
Yeah.
Really?
Like food.
Oh, that's cool.
Like cake.
Smell it.
Let me see if you guys can smell it through the camera.
Smell this one, guys.
Meow, 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 meow.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, no, this is the sloth. This one goes like this, look. No, 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 let it go, look. It goes like this.
A really slow animal.
A sloth is a really slow animal. And we got Mimi's aunt and Mimi's sister knocking at the door, you guys. I don't know if
Hold
y'all
on,
can
guys,
hear
I'll be
them.
back.
Okay, close your eyes. And
Wait,
you cheater!
when you're done, say done.
Oh, of course. Okay. Don't peek no more.
I got a pretzel. I'm making it like that.
Close your eyes.
I'm
Get down.
like that.
You're a cheater.
Pretzel.
Okay, stay down. Don't get back up.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna count to 3 and no, you tell me which one you have. Mimi.
Okay. I think I have a unicorn. Did you do it different or you did the same?
No, I changed it.
Okay.
So you think you have a unicorn? What you think you have?
Burger?
The cat.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lift up.
Opposite. That's so funny.
Like, if
Yo,
it was like
if y'all
that.
would have traded, like if y'all would have said swap or, oh my
No, but
god,
that was so funny.
that was. All right, so none of y'all get a point.
If we want to keep it, we could say swap. If we want
Keep
to
or swap.
switch it.
Yep. Okay, give it here. Give it here. Okay,
You catched it?
close your eyes. No, Mimi. Stop cheating. No, go down. There. All right, no cheating. No cheating at all.
It's so white.
Not yet.
Done.
What y'all think y'all have? Get up.
I think I
The
have.
burger?
You think you got a burger?
No, I think I got a burger.
Lily thinks she has a burger, and Mimi thinks she got the burger. Do y'all want to switch guests?
Yeah, let's swap.
Okay, y'all want to swap? Okay, what you think you have?
I seen what she got.
And I
Okay.
see what she got.
Okay, so you guessed you had a zebra. You guessed you had a unicorn. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, y'all both wrong. Y'all both don't get a point. So give it here. Woo. Okay.
Party. Squishy party.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta close your eyes. Again. Oh look. Y'all can't swap it this time. All right, done.
Okay.
Guess what y'all have?
I think I got a
Wait, what were they again?
Mimi think.
I think I got
a
the burger.
unicorn.
Lily thinks she got a burger. Mimi thinks she got a burger. 3, 2, 1.
Again?
I got the hot dog.
Again. First, no.
That was
Okay.
funny.
All right. Let's
Yeah,
guess
let's get
again.
our own plate.
All right. No peeking. Hey! I saw you.
I
Mimi peeking.
I thought that was Lily. Okay, done, Lily.
Done?
All right. Mimi guesses.
Wait, are we swapping?
Oh, y'all want to switch? Okay.
Okay.
They swapped. So Lily, what you have? What you think you have?
The unicorn?
What you think you have?
I think I. Why you laughing like this?
What you think you have?
You can see.
Ah! They're peeking. What you have? Mimi?
Wait, she said the unicorn.
No.
She thinks she got.
What you think you have?
Yeah, what you think you have?
3, 2, 1. Hey!
You think you had a.
Yup.
So I
Lily
get
gets a point.
So far,
Yeah.
I'm winning, right?
Lily's
No.
winning. She's a point ahead.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. She's a point ahead.
She only got 1 point. I got 0.
I know. She's winning.
Yeah.
Okay. Cover your heads. I mean, your eyes. This time, no swapping.
Okay.
Okay?
Done?
Look at this. Yo, this is so funny.
Done?
Okay.
Oh, I think I already know what Mimi got.
What you think you have?
A
No.
burger.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
What I.
You said a unicorn? Okay.
I want to be choose
Okay,
the color.
okay. 1, 2, and 3.
You can look.
No! Wait. Alright. What do you think you have, Mimi? What do
Unicorn.
you think you have?
No, I think I got the burger.
I think I got the.
The what?
I'm gonna swap. I'm gonna swap.
What you have?
It's. I know what I think it is. I think it's a zebra because it was up.
1, 2, 3. Oh, y'all both guessed right. Mimi said a unicorn first, then she changed it to a
she
burger.
got 3.
Yeah, that's.
She got. We'll still give you that point.
Yeah.
We'll
because
be
that was the
fair.
first answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be
So-
fair.
So she got 3 points and I got 1 point.
Okay, heads down.
Judges on.
Don't look.
No.
Ready, set, go. Look. Okay, no, wait. What you have, Mimi? What you think?
I think I have
No, I think I have.
the unicorn.
What you
I
think you
I
have?
have the zebra.
Zebra. Ready, set, go.
Oh, the swap. We didn't do this one yet.
No.
I forgot we had
It was right here on the floor. I
Alright,
forgot.
Get this one.
You didn't even. Did you guess? What you guess you had?
A zebra.
Oh, give it here. Sitting there. Do y'all want to eat some veggie straws?
Yes.
Okay, so they're gonna be eating some veggie straw
Those are
jalapenos.
mine. I
And
give Lily some over there. Yes. We did all the squishies in the world.
they did all the squishies,
Not in the
and
world.
Lily won. So
It was
Maybe
3
only
to
had
2,
one.
right?
No, 3-1.
so
It was 3-1.
oh yeah, 3
No,
to 1, 3 to
no,
1.
no, 3-2.
Why?
Because I guessed the unicorn first, remember? And
Yeah,
then
just
I
the
said
unicorn.
burger. Nuh-uh. What?
Yeah, it was 3 to 1.
3 to 1.
Okay, well, either way, Lily won. All right, you guys.
Can I
So
put the squishies in my bag?
they wanna Do you guys just want to talk about the squishies and like feel them? Which one is softer or which one is harder? Yeah, you guys can test it out.
The softer one, I think, is the unicorn.
The unicorn.
Yeah.
What you think, Mimi?
Feel. Again, this one is soft too.
This one feels like a little soft, but a little rough at the same time.
A little hard.
This one is
This one is hard.
not that soft, but it's like in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's
This
rough.
one. Yeah, rough. This one too.
So how about we do all the rough one on this side and all the soft ones on this side, and the ones that are in the middle, put them in the middle. So this one is
Rough.
this one is rough.
This one is like
This one is
soft.
rough. That one is soft. Okay, put that one right here. This one is soft.
This
This
one
one's
is in the
soft.
middle.
How about this
Yeah.
one?
This
What
one.
you think about this one? Soft.
This soft. Okay, go to the soft one. Which one is this one? In the middle?
Rough.
Rough.
This one is in the middle.
That one is in the middle. Okay, so the
this
oh
one
the
is-
hot dog.
No feel?
Chuck.
Rough.
We should
Rough.
have one more.
Okay, you guys. So we have on the rough side, we have the zebra, the hot dog, and the pretzel.
And on the middle, we have the bear and the burger.
And then Lily chooses that one.
And the soft side, we have the sloth, the unicorn, and the kitty.
So did you guys like this challenge?
Yes.
All right. Well, let's close up today's video.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Peace out.